Ready? What is up, Sur Ron X out here with a quick little review. I've got the talented Aaron Kimura behind the camera over there. His Instagram will be in the description. And today we're just checking out a motorcycle cover that this company, it sounds like an alphabet. They are called XYZCTEM. And you can find them on Amazon. They got all sorts of different products that are bike related. And a big thank you for sending this my way. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, put it on the bike, and see if it's waterproof.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one, I don't.
So I'm actually pretty excited about this because the motorcycle cover that I used to use wasn't really waterproof. It would sort of stop the water for a little bit, but if you came back the next morning, the whole bike would be wet even though it was covered. So let's see how well this one performs. We're gonna compare it with the one I've been running. Comes in a nice carry pouch, that's nice. Kind of like the orange. Red would be cool if you guys want to make like a custom Sur Ron one, but okay. So this is definitely going to be more than big enough to cover the bike. I'm just going to go ahead and throw it on. So you might be asking, why would you need one of these? It might be obvious to some of you, but there's a couple reasons. Sometimes you have to leave your bike outside for a couple days, and you really want to leave it covered. You don't want to expose it to the elements for too long. And another reason is it sort of hides the bike. It's not as enticing to steal when you can't see exactly what the bike is. But there you go. It's pretty big. This is really designed for like motorcycles. So the Sur Ron is definitely on the smaller end, but that makes putting the cover on super easy. I was using another cover that was designed more for bicycles, and it was really a pain to get it fitted. We've got my old bike cover. This is a standard cheap Amazon bike cover. And then we've got the XYZCTEM that's also on Amazon. And I know from experience that this one, if you leave it overnight after it rains, your bike will be wet. So I'm gonna test it. I've got a glass under here. It's hard to see, but there's a glass right there. I'm gonna put some water in there. Same with this one. We're gonna come back in about 2 hours, and if there's water in the glass, we will know it's not waterproof. So let's do this little science experiment. All right, you wanna see in there's some water. You know what? You can literally see it draining out as we sit here. I was expecting it to take a couple hours, but look, it's literally draining. So this is advertised on Amazon as being waterproof, which I learned the hard way, but here we're seeing it's literally draining. Now let's try this one. All right, I'm gonna give them both a little bit of time to make it fair. All right, so it's been an hour. Coming back, I've gotta give credit to the cheap Amazon bike cover. There is still some water left in there, but let's see if there is water that got through. I don't really know if there's a graceful way to do this, but. Oh man. All right, waterproof. Waterproof to who? So that much got through. And I gotta say, from my experience, if it rains and you leave this cover over your bike will be wet in the morning. Let's see about this one. Oh, I'm disappointed. There actually is a little bit of water in there. So, I don't know how well you can see the difference. It's about maybe a third as much water. So, I'm actually a little disappointed. It shouldn't have let any water through, but it did. It let a little less water through than this one. So, now that I have both of these covers, I'll definitely be using this one. It also looks kind of cool. I like the color. If this was red, it'd be cool. It'd match my bike and everything. But yeah, there's my test. Pretty scientific as far as this channel goes. This is probably the most scientific test I've done yet. And I am a little surprised by the results. I gotta say, the material on this looked like it was gonna be very much waterproof like it advertises, but it's not. A little bit got through, but not as much. Anyway, there you go. That is my review of this product. And as always, stay tuned.